Hi, it's Ian Coleman, and this is today's video analysis for the 27th of March 2019. Going to be looking at a cross currency, going to look at sterling against the New Zealand dollar, going to break down 3 different time frames. Now, I understand there's a lot going on in UK politics or European politics with Brexit, but this trade idea looks quite sound technically and also offers quite reasonable risk reward. So breaking down the time frames, impulse move to the downside from the highs of August 2015. Normally what happens when we've had an impulse move, we'll get a corrective move higher. Levels close to the 38.2% pullback, around about to the figure, found sellers, and we formed a doji style candle. Could also be seen as an outside bar. We have had a recovery to the upside, but this whole move higher looks corrective. If we break down to the weekly chart, again we can see an impulse move to the downside after that doji on the monthly chart was formed. We have recovered, but we've got a 61.8% Fibonacci level at 195.77, and that's quite important when we break down to the next time frame. So the daily time frame highlights mixed and volatile trading, looks to be forming an ending wedge pattern that has a bias to break to the downside. Now, there's no clear indication that we couldn't yet see a higher high, and we've got trendline resistance at 196.35. Now, that's not only pretty close to that 61.8% Fibonacci level that we saw on the weekly chart, but it's also close to our bespoke resistance, which is at 196, the figure. Now, selling into rallies with a stop above this trend of higher highs offers pretty sound risk reward, with the first target level coming in around about here, which is the start of this ending wedge pattern. So our call is to sell sterling New Zealand, but only on a rally. We're going to sell sterling New Zealand at 196, the figure. The stops can be placed at 198, the figure. Two target levels, 187, the figure, which is this wedge breakout target level, and then we're going to aim for the base of that channel formation, which comes in at 184.00. Okay, thank you.